how to save a sticker in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up this method. So for that you may open up your WhatsApp and then log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to locate up the chat from which you want to save the sticker. For example, this one right here. Once you locate up the chat and also the sticker, all you gotta do in order to save the sticker is tap on the sticker and a menu appears on your screen. Now from the menu, all you gotta do is simply tap on add to favorites or save option. You can just go ahead and look out for that option. And once that is done, you will be finding this create option right beside it here. Right below it, we have favorites option. All you gotta do is look out for your sticker like this, the saved ones. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.